Hello, my name is Crystal MacGregor, registered dietitian on beautiful Prince Edward Island, Canada's Food Island. Welcome to the social shell where we're going to teach you how to make a healthy and delicious, nutritious mussel recipe using PEI mussels. Today we're going to do fire roasted tomatoes with a basil sauce, and it's going to be so easy to prepare. To get started, all we're going to do is use a hot pan. We're just going to add in a little bit of oil here. Next, we're gonna add in one small onion, all chopped. Oh, you can just hear that sizzle, so fantastic. What you're gonna do is you're just going to saute until those onions become a little translucent, which is gonna be fantastic. Now today we're using PEI mussels, which are one of the world's best mussels. They're sustainable, nutritious, and delicious, a great source of omega-3, as well as a good source of protein. And what I love most is with food prices rising 5 to 7%, is they are affordable at less than $2.50 a pound. So when you get your beautiful PEI mussels, where you can find where to buy on thesocialshell.com, you're gonna put them under cold water and give them a tap. You wanna make sure that they're alive and that they're not open already. Okay, well, we can really smell those onions getting all nice and translucent. Next up, we're going to add in about 4 cloves of chopped garlic in here. Oh my goodness, you're really gonna get all that healthy properties of the garlic and the onions, perfect for cold and flu season. Oh my gosh, I wish you could smell it in here. It smells so good. All right, well, next up what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of our fluid. So today we're using a chicken broth. You could definitely use white wine if you wanted as well. So we're gonna add in there to layer in some flavor. Now, what I love about this recipe is that it's so simple, and as you can see that there's not a lot of ingredients, so it's things that you probably already have in your pantry that you can whip up in no time. You can add in a little bit of sea salt, a little bit of cracked pepper in there. Now, don't tell anyone, but I like to cheat and use already roasted, fire roasted tomatoes, which come in a can, so you're gonna add them in with all of the sauce in there as well. And what's so fantastic about this recipe is that really it's done in under 10 minutes. So a great tip when you're cooking island mussels is about 1 pound of mussels, 1/4 cup of liquid, and you're gonna cook that for about 5 to 7 minutes. So in goes our delicious PEI mussels. Let's just take a little look in here and see how great they are. We're gonna give that a little stir to get all of the great flavor in there. Just check that out. Next up, we're going to add the lid and just let that steam away for about 5 to 7 minutes. So while that's cooking, I want to give you 4 additional ideas of how you can use leftover mussels if you're lucky enough to have leftover mussels in your house. You can use mussels to top a beautiful salad, great source of protein, and you can use any kind of salad you want, your favorite dressing. Another fun idea that the whole family might love is doing a baked potato. So bake your potatoes, you can top it with mussels, an affordable source of protein, giving you that jam-packed with a little bit of zinc and folate, as well as having that omega-3. And if you're doing some entertaining or you want to have appies for dinner, which a lot of us do, why not try putting mussels on a beautiful mussel bruschetta? So simply do some crostinis, top it with your favorite bruschetta, seasoning, diced tomatoes, fresh basil, and then of course our mussels. And then last but not least, who doesn't love a hot, delicious bowl of pasta, especially in these cold winter months? You can take steamed mussels and top them onto pasta. So those are 4 ways you can use beautiful PEI mussels. So we're gonna let these steam away a little bit longer and they'll be ready in just a moment. All right, let's check on these mussels. It's been about 5 to 7 minutes. Oh my gosh, you'll know they are done when they're opening up. You want them not to be stuck to the shell because that means that they're underdone. This is a perfect example, and look how beautiful that PEI mussel is in that beautiful blue-black shell. So what we're gonna do is just dish up some of these mussels that we have here. Oh my gosh, I wish you could smell it. All that beautiful smell of that fire roasted tomatoes, the garlic. So we're gonna plate up a bunch of these, and these are perfect if you serve them with a little bit of baguette or fresh bread, which is nice. You can soak up all of that sauce and get that delicious, delicious flavor. And as you can see, this recipe was super simple to make, super fast. And you're gonna just garnish it with a little bit of fresh basil. Oh, so aromatic and so beautiful. Now to show you how to eat these like an Islander pro, we're gonna have Raquel Burrows come on in and see what they really taste like. Welcome, Raquel.
Hi, Crystal.
All right, let's show them how to eat them like we do here on PEI.
All right, so you take one shell and use it like a fork, and there we go.
Oh my goodness, how does that taste?
Oh, so good.
All right, this is a delicious recipe available on thesocialshell.com. If you're looking for more great recipes inspired from Canada's Food Island, be sure to check out our brand new cookbook, Canada's Food Island, available on Amazon.ca and Amazon.com. If you like this video, give us some hearts, likes, make your comments below, and we want you to enjoy the best of this New Year's season. Take care, everyone.